Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. Okay, so Christmas is over, New Year's is over, and me and my kids talked about it, and they actually want to keep the tree up all year. This is the first time we're going to do this, and we are going to decorate it according to which holiday is coming up, or if they want to do it by season, then we'll do it by season. So right now we are going to decorate it for Valentine's Day. So I went out to the store, to Walmart, and I got this. This was $1. This is going to be the tree topper. This is going to go at the top. I thought it was cute. For $1, you can't beat it. And these are going to act as the ornaments. You get 40 in a pack for $1.92. And for the garland, what I did was I took some pink yarn and I just braided it like it's really long. This is going to be the garland, but I'm going to cut strips of tulle and red and pink and tie it onto the garland so that it's like really fluffy and cute for Valentine's Day. um so yeah, let's go ahead and get started on the garland. Before I start on the garland, I also bought these were $1 as well. I'm going to be making some Valentine's Day little heart trees with this. So let's go. Let's do all this together. Let's go. All right, you guys. So I'm done with my tulle garland. This is what it is looking like. It's really cute. And as you can see, the only thing I did was put it in groups of 4 on each color, and just tied it on there. And then I just kept going throughout the whole thing. You guys, look at that. That's so cute. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on my hearts for my tree. I'm going to use my Sizex cutter because it can cut up to 8 pieces of paper at a time. And I'm also going to use my heart die cut. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done putting the hearts on the tree. What I'm going to do now is put a pom-pom on the top. So I'm going to do red and the pink, and I'm just going to use one of these dies to wrap the tulle around and make my pom-pom. Alright, you guys, I am pretty much done. Only thing I'm going to do now is just put some glue on here and then glue it on, and that is it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And I will see you guys very soon. Look at that. It's so cute. It's super cute. All right. Bye.